Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make this beautiful LED vanity mirror, and it just takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. Okay, so for this video you're going to need two things. One is this light kit from Amazon, and second is this mirror. It's 30 by 36 beveled edge. You can either get it from Home Depot or Lowe's, and again both items I'll list their links below. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started with our light kit. So you want to go ahead and open that up. Try and open it neatly if you can from this end, if you could see, because we are going to be using the box later. Okay, and this is just manual. And then you have the beautiful lights and the plug with the dimmer inside. So we're going to put that all aside, and we're going to go ahead and unravel this and get it ready so that we can stick it onto our mirror. Handy dandy box, and we're going to go ahead and take our light strips and start sticking those on. So they have sticky backs. You want to go ahead and take the little piece of paper off. As you can see here, just rip that off and then start sticking it on. So I first like to do each of the corners, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so that you can see here. I use the beveled edge as a guide to where we're going to place our lights. So all along this line is where you want to place your lights, so up into that point. So we're going to first place the other two place the other two lights in between and make sure they have even measurement. Okay, so this is when we bring our box in place. I just use that as a guide for measuring. So as you can see, they all have the same distance. So you just put your box in between, and then once you get it right, I always double check it to make sure it's right. Once you do that, I just go back and then I'm going to go ahead and stick those on. And then I go on to the other side and pretty much do the exact same thing. And just like that, we are all finished with the sides. And now we are going to do the top part. And we use the box the long way and measure the tops. So this box is really helpful if you do use the side mirror. And I do suggest the beveled edge again because you can use that all the way around as a guide as to how far up or how close to the edge you want to place the lights. And this just helps everything be even. And stick those on, and we are done with the sticking part. Okay, so for the last and final step, we're just going to go ahead and take our tape and stick those little wires to the back so you don't really see it too much in the front of your mirror. So that should just take a minute or so. And finally, we are done. Here's our beautiful mirror. Plugged everything in and used our little light dimmer to turn it on. It is so beautiful. And you just hold it down if you want to dim it, and hold it to get it bright again. So you can hang this on the wall if you want the mirror. It does come with the frameless hanging kit, but I did not use that. And I'm just going around and showing you all the bulbs, and pretty much that is it. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe.